Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Four Corners of Fun YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of mobile networks, exploring 1G to 6G, and discussing their pros, cons, and fascinating technical facts. Let's get started. First, let's take a quick trip down memory lane with 1G. Launched in the early 1980s, the first-generation wireless network brought us analog voice calls. It was revolutionary at the time but had significant drawbacks like poor voice quality, no data services, and limited security. 1G networks were analog, providing basic voice communication but with limited coverage and high susceptibility to interference. Pros of 1G include being the first step toward wireless communication. Cons included poor sound quality, limited capacity, and no data capabilities. Next we have 2G. Launched in the early 1990s, 2G introduced digital voice, SMS, and basic data services. It was a game-changer for mobile communication. 2G networks used GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications, and CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access, technologies, offering better voice quality and encryption for security. Pros of 2G include improved voice quality, text messaging, and basic data services. However, data speeds were still very slow, limiting internet usage. Now, let's move to 3G. Launched in the early 2000s, third-generation networks provided faster data speeds, enabling mobile internet, video calls, and multimedia messaging. 3G networks use technologies like UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunications System, and HSPA, high-speed packet access, offering speeds up to 2 megabits per second. Pros of 3G include faster internet, video calling, and global roaming capabilities. Cons include higher power consumption and network congestion issues. Now, let's talk about 4G. Launched in the late 2000s, 4G, or fourth-generation wireless, revolutionized mobile internet. It provided faster data speeds, allowing for smooth video streaming, online gaming, and quicker downloads. 4G networks use technologies like LTE, long-term evolution, and WiMAX. They offer download speeds of up to 100 megabits per second, significantly improving the user experience compared to 3G. Pros of 4G include widespread availability, stable connections, and sufficient speed for most everyday tasks. However, it has its cons, like limited capacity for high-density areas and latency issues affecting real-time applications. Now, let's jump to 5G. The fifth-generation network promises a massive leap in speed, capacity, and connectivity. Launched in the late 2010s, 5G aims to support the Internet of Things, IoT, and enable smart cities. 5G uses millimeter waves, small cells, and beamforming to achieve download speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, ultra-low latency, and the ability to connect more devices simultaneously. Pros of 5G include blazing fast speeds, lower latency, and enhanced capacity for connected devices. On the flip side, it has a shorter range and requires more infrastructure like small cells, which can be costly to deploy. Looking ahead, we have 6G on the horizon. Although still in the research phase, 6G is expected to debut around 2030, offering mind-blowing speeds and revolutionary applications. 6G aims to achieve speeds up to 1 Tbps and even lower latency than 5G. It will leverage terahertz waves and advanced AI to support applications like holographic communications, enhanced virtual reality, and autonomous systems. While 6G promises unprecedented speed and connectivity, potential challenges include high energy consumption, complex infrastructure requirements, and the need for new regulatory frameworks. Transition to a split screen of 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and 6G for comparison. To summarize, each generation of mobile networks brings significant advancements. 1G, basic analog voice calls with limited coverage. 2G, digital voice, SMS, and basic data services. 3G, faster data, video calling, and mobile internet. 4G, enhanced speed and stability for everyday use. 5G, ultra-fast speeds and low latency for IoT and smart cities. 6G, future innovations with terahertz waves and AI integration. Mobile networks are evolving rapidly, shaping how we live, work, and play. Understanding the pros and cons of each generation helps us appreciate the technology powering our connected world. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Stay curious, stay connected, and see you next time.